Hello guys, we Nyantechi TV. Baby I will be era. Yeah, the updates from the King's project. Ewo adakwajachi esanso ede bre ubim. Na said we and da de no pacho need ma subscribe to this channel. Na de biano yenya enijie emfa updates emfree adakwajachi emfa mrew. Mo amunim se traveling from even the Central Business District. Kwa adakwajachi no enye easy. It is mutimi support here by subscribing to this channel. Yes, so yeah, we make it a point, not time biano. Yeah, Timmy Ako adakwajachi. And found se kwan wa akwa updates from the King's project. Na yeah the abremo. The wu she the ultra modern gym center. Yana na otekwa so krobia Asante Kotoko hene utumfo AC Ediama team no. Na said na no me catch you say ebra me koshia contractor na wo ka say omo ebejai failing no ama nsu ato agum no on say afi no master tia omo cast e form no nkakra omo gu e form no say a compact ye eno nti no contractor no ye na nkakra e di ye wo hwe ye portions baby a yeah, hanum ye washroom. Contractor no aye wa cast a form hono fe na woko hon ma hu se adwuma ekoso papa. This side there so na nsure ne to no because hana the main center ye the equipment no any machines na ye the be training no ebegu e do hear this part of the project na as a building na who say ahana die yenya encaste said na wo ka say wan hwe no we ya utia so ebe kunkunkunkum no bia me ba nan fam no me hu say ahano asi say die etim anu nti no be gie di say obe toa so akaste e form ha nyina na ama adwuma no ekọ nanim kama na project we project a said ye nisi wo ho no ye mpese ye bejai amana ye te se dada na esi babia ye container no e project no eno ni se enem sheda kokofa ho na mi hu se eno sa Dr. Kiki Sapon project na o ye na e ben babia ye sa container project na previous administration you know eba be ye no me hu crack bi ewo dadanim efa baby so it tells me say definitely a bus ye the ma contractor we or any other person bi a the be man say onye hu adwuma no ebe ye na adwen say ye be dwiri egu. So my prayer is that this project so konkoye 9-day wonder na say enkoye a white elephant enkonkosi honom na ye nkone nam ho nkofa update ma na afi enkodu baabi na enkoka kwam daabi ye mpai bo ne say erade mwa na ye nana any supporters ni even crank ye nya sponsorship kese nanka ye mfanye project we emfam free honom na minim say project we no ebeboa pa me sanso koye no ene no mo ye training. I must tell you that ahokeka e wo training grounds no very solid. Na boys no new guys nearby you know. Na boys ni be bobo boys ni say be boys ni very good. Especially Sir Hubert Jauna ye didn't free bichim ye signing free bichim na ye bo has no bobi no. The guy is so good. And this guy said Kwadwo no so very good. Ye moche boy na we what the other side na we so the other side no me who say these guys will help us and some of the new guys on my back can't team no also no man who can was so pa and me who say e be monso na omo ye warm up. I think that they are warming them into the team and yes straight away enna ye di omo beba no me hu mpanyifo bebre coach James Kwasi Apia na wo ho opanyin safo dia mfimu nyina ba honom and a lot of supporters so and in some job for bebre na ye nyina ye wo honom a ye training no kopem se ye point me ba mo chew de bia meka faabu sensos no mama ye mfe nyina ho nyim and na ye di nkomo a car yena na boni team no ho every month no more than 600,000 Ghana cedis. The light bills, the winning bonuses, their salaries, other expenses. Car no, omode ba kona or MTN for bus bi na ehwo aye yellow kakra no. And the omanfa ehmo no eno no omode ba training. So you can imagine even crampo ye kipu a security, yeah, door, yeah, water, super. It's not easy. It is easier do team na. Yes, ye do team na ye na nanom na ewu. Edi jawa maya. We must also play our part. Debia meka. Mama yensu yenye ye bit. To say that me kwa make off a story ba na mema unhu the progress of work ewo hono. I think this is also me dia me so me ye. Na edu say ye bo matches a moma yen momodin na enkohwe team no be call South Africa I think the tournament be start 22nd so omo prepare e dia call and okay training na go Zito and omo ya it was not easy na efe no show how to press he no stressing more on Africa na omo be kono some of these guys the way omo be press on enye easy enti make I say na because of the intensity it is some of the players no na as omo crash ya no omo pra kakra me hu say goalkeeper no Kamara at a point or woman no o pry ma yesesa no I hope say enye a major issue bia ne ho beto no aba back and one of two guys so Kwame Poku so started warm up no time and no more press no he played but later no more boy no what's not bench minim reason no minim say there be a issue be or there but apart from it no all the players were there Abetamwa was there all the guys and this guy called Samba the guy is so good somebody masa be say yenya ne so bibe mienu miensa wo team ni ma and but I am highly impressed about some of these guys especially guy na said Kojo any Jau Hube Jau no any some of these guys are tom on ebeboa papa number 3 be me said any minute but when said any me with the 3 the guy is also good enti mo my fampa bonta team nachi na yen support mpanyifo na me wo gds say ye koso support team na Kotoko team no ebe kra behwe na ye new training pitch no so etiki shape pa o matwa so kama I believe so because South Africa ne ban ye starting new season na honom na ye beye training honom na ye beye training enti medamu nyina mase na maka chem so monko so na mon subscribe na mon support me na mon share videos na mon share na this is the only motivation you can give to me and when you do it I will also be motivated enough to always go and bring you more stories going to Adakwajache one nim honma enye easy it's far from where I stay enti ahokeka ye de kono monso monhye ye nkran na de bia ye nkonkofa story nembra aha ye Nyantachi TV meda CP ko so na ehwe na support by subscribing and sharing this content to other people nakopon show so wo hwe Nyantachi TV now support Kotoko. God bless you. Bye bye.